Hello guys, this is waterfall number 2 in our vacation. I'd say I'm pretty excited so far. It's been really fun while fishing. I'll post that later. Wait. Ooh, it's steep. Alright. I'll show you. Once I get up there. There we go. One more step. There we go. Now, look at this. Big, gorgeous view. Beautiful. It's amazing. It's awesome.
You're scared.
It's lovely. Don't be scared, Ellie. I'm not gonna fall.
There's a lot of rock that's gonna come down on it.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot of rock. Alrighty. Stop! I need my water. Okay. Look at that. Sorry if I'm going a little too fast. I'll try to be slow. Yeah, it's pretty cool, I must say. There we go. The view's pretty good. There's my family over here. Say hi, Riley. Alright, she's weird. Okay,
What was that?
even my uncle's wondering. Now what? Hey, Grandma.
We can get over here.
Are we ready? Right ahead. Oh, can I borrow that water?
Okay. Oh, you need a drink?
Yeah. Thank you. Kenzie's along on the ride too. Say hi, Kenzie. Say hi. She's pointing at the rocks, I bet. I think she wants to go the other way, but we will go there. We will go there in a while.
I mean, she's not using it. That the circle?
Yeah.
Yeah, yep. Sorry, I thought you didn't want it.
Yeah, Mom.
Come with me.
Oh, okay. A picture? Okay. One sec. Alright. Now, what's next?
I will help you. I want the picture. Come here. Sit right here. Sit on my lap.
Angie's enjoying herself. Everyone's enjoying themselves. It's pretty nice. We're in a gigantic cave right now. There's also the waterfall over there. And Papa tried to scare me. Okay, Papa's funny. I love Papa.
Your ride home, isn't it?
It is gonna be a long ride home. It's probably gonna be.
We're gonna have to walk back. I do not.
All right. Is everyone ready to go forward?
I don't know.
Okay.
Are we all ready to go?
Is everyone ready to go?
Just about.
Alrighty. Are you ready to go, Kenzie? I'll take that as a yes. You ready to go, Sophia? Okay. Ellie,
What?
you ready to go? Okay.
If you want to go to lower falls, you'd have to go back down there and go that way. We'll be up to the top and decide what we're going to do.
No thanks. I'm good.
Are we leaving anybody yet? You want peanut butter cracker? Oh, you got one. Two in? One? Grandma's got water too.
Alright, I'll pause for now. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, Abe, you ready? Okay. Okay, ready.
You want me to go fix it now? I'm gonna go up here to the top.
I'll follow you, Papa. Wanna go on the rocks? Okay, that is a bad idea after all. You almost slipped. Oh my god, almost slipped. Oh my goodness, can we get this to 50 likes? I'm just kidding. Papa. Papa. That's a little cough. There's the view up there. Good. Okay. I'll try to get up there. One sec. Alright.
He loves it, I think.
You love it, Kenzie?
Except for this big drop off right
You love it? Okay. Oh, Papa's gone. Never mind. He's still here.
I didn't break any rules. I didn't cross where it said not to cross.
It's like you guys are on the journey with me too. It's nice.
This is a cool day. But you know what? The sun's really not an issue.
Right.
Yeah.
It's only going to be like 10 degrees hotter than so we'll take a, we'll take one of the,
Whew. Alright, it's a bit of a walk, but we can do it. Go. You guys ready? Come on. I think my phone's gonna run out of screen time. So I'll post the other video later. See you guys in the next video.